If you're a coffee lover searching for the perfect French press that offers durability, exceptional insulation, and an effortless brewing experience, then this Mira 34-aught stainless steel French press coffee maker might just be the answer. With its unbreakable design and ability to keep your coffee or tea piping hot, it stands out as an essential tool for any kitchen. In this review, we'll dive deep into the features, benefits, and why this particular French press could be the perfect fit for you. When it comes to coffee making, many coffee enthusiasts prefer the French press method for its ability to preserve bold flavors and rich aromas. The Mira 34-aught French press coffee maker does exactly that, while also boasting a construction that's both practical and robust. Unlike traditional glass presses, which are prone to shattering or cracking, the Mira French press is built from 1810 stainless steel, ensuring it remains shatterproof and unbreakable, even with frequent use. This leads us to the first major benefit: durability. With its solid stainless steel body, you're investing in a coffee maker that is built to last. Whether you're using it at home, bringing it to the office, or packing it for a camping trip, the Mira French press can handle it all without showing signs of wear. One of the biggest advantages of using a French press is its ability to retain natural oils and flavors that paper filters tend to absorb. The Mira French press takes this a step further by including an ultrafine mesh filter designed to reduce acidity and provide a cleaner, smoother cup of coffee. If you appreciate the depth and richness of coffee without the bitterness, this filter will make a noticeable difference. Not only does it produce a cleaner brew, but Mira also offers 3 extra filters with the purchase. This is a valuable addition for anyone who frequently uses their French press and wants to maintain the quality of their coffee over time. The stainless steel interior also ensures that the coffee you brew remains free from metallic tastes, unlike cheaper metal presses. Your coffee or tea will taste fresh, rich, and full of its natural flavors. This quick and easy method makes the Mira French press a go-to for those busy mornings when you need your coffee without the hassle. Plus, cleaning up is just as simple. You can hand wash it or pop it in the dishwasher. It's entirely dishwasher safe, saving you time and effort. One of the standout features of the Mira stainless steel French press is its double-walled insulation. Unlike glass presses that allow your coffee to cool quickly, the Mira French press is designed to keep your coffee hot for longer periods. Whether you're enjoying a leisurely weekend morning or preparing for a day of work, you can trust that your coffee will stay at the perfect temperature until you're ready for the next cup. For those who enjoy multiple cups of coffee throughout the day, this feature makes a big difference. You no longer need to worry about reheating your coffee or brewing a new batch. Your coffee stays warm and ready whenever you are. While coffee is the star of the show, this French press also doubles as a tea brewer. You can easily brew loose leaf tea, cold brew coffee, or even hot chocolate with the Mira French press. The versatility of this product makes it ideal for a wide range of beverages. So no matter your drink of choice, this French press can handle it. Its compact design and portability are perfect for camping trips, vacations, or just moving from your kitchen to your home office. It's an all-in-one brewing solution that you can take with you, wherever you go. The Mira French press isn't just practical, it's also beautifully designed. Its sleek and modern look will fit seamlessly into any kitchen. The ergonomic handle stays cool to the touch, even when the press is filled with hot liquid, ensuring safe and comfortable use. The spout is designed for smooth pouring, reducing the risk of spills and drips. Whether you're gifting this to a coffee enthusiast or adding it to your own coffee-making arsenal, the Mira French press will impress with its thoughtful design and superior functionality. If you're searching for the perfect gift for a friend or family member who loves coffee or tea, look no further than the Mira stainless steel French press. Its durability, sleek design, and ease of use make it a thoughtful and practical gift. It's suitable for anyone, from the coffee connoisseur to the casual drinker, and adds a touch of sophistication to any kitchen. Conclusion: a must-have for your coffee routine. In summary, the Mira 34-aught stainless steel French press coffee maker is an investment in quality, convenience, and flavor. It's durable, easy to use, and makes a fantastic cup of coffee or tea every time. Whether you're a daily coffee drinker or someone who enjoys an occasional cup, this French press will elevate your brewing experience. Its stainless steel construction, double-walled insulation, and ultrafine mesh filter make it a standout product in a crowded market. Add in the 3 extra filters and dishwasher-safe convenience, and it's hard to find a reason not to love this French press. If you're looking for a versatile, reliable, and long-lasting French press, the Mira stainless steel French press is a fantastic choice. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. If you enjoyed this review, like the video, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.